मंगळारा आदले शिक्षण मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेराताचो गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्षांत प्रवेश जालो। येवपी पणजे पोट वेंचणुकेत मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकाराक मोन्सेरात तेंको दितलो। जरी तर काँग्रेस खंयच्याय सिटार राजीनामो दिता तर त्या सुवातेर गोवा फॉरवर्ड वेंचणूक लढयतले म्हण टीसीपी मंत्री विजय सरदेसाय उलयला। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोली।
The Goa Forward family is very happy to welcome my friend Babush Monserrat to the Goa Forward Party. As I said in my tweet, this is a major political development which will not only strengthen the Goa Forward Party in North Goa and also but it will actually give a stability certificate for the Manohar Parrikar government in the state. This is bringing about a finality for all the rumors or whatever attempts that the Congress could ever think to destabilize this government. आयच्यान अशें म्हणूं येता की आमचो जो गोंयांत सरकार आहा वो सरकार एक पूर्णपणान स्टेबल जाल्लो आहा। मनोहर पर्रीकाराची सुप्रमसी इस्टॅब्लिश जाल्ली आहा आनी मनोहर पर्रीकाराक गोवा फॉरवर्डान फक्त गोंयांत हाडलोच ना तर ताका पणजेचो आज आमी आमदारूय म्हणून डिक्लेअर करूंक शकता अशें आमी केल्लें आहा आनी हातून सांगपाक कांय वायट ना। वी विल सपोर्ट मनोहर पर्रीकार इन पेंजीम बट एट द सेम टायम आमी आमची पार्टी फुडें व्हरपाक आमी मुवमेंट हो केल्लो आहा। खंयचोय काँग्रेस आमदार जर आतां फुडें केन्नाय रिजायन जालो जाल्यार ते सिटाचेर गोवा फॉरवर्ड कॉन्टेस्ट करतलेच हें आमी सारकें क्लियर आहा। हें ताजे कडेन उलयल्लें आहा आनी उलयतना बाबूशूय आहा। खंयचोय काँग्रेस आमदार खंयची वेकन्सी जर क्रिएट जाली गोंयांत जाल्यार ती वेकन्सीक गोवा फॉरवर्ड आमी कॉन्टेस्ट करतले।
Basically, I have sent in my resignation to the region to party. That party basically, if it is there, it will exist. So I have joined the Goa Forward. Now I have joined Goa Forward for a very simple reason. In last term, during the last assembly term, I have seen the way how Vijay single-handedly was fighting as far as the opposition is concerned with the government. And the same fight, whatever Vijay has fought in last assembly election, he has seen to it that he has realized, he is trying to realize the dreams of Goans, and as rightly said, Goa and Goenka. That is very important. Now, if you go to see the common minimum program. Now, if you go through all the common minimum program, the points which Goa Forward has pointed out, it clearly shows the reversal of the previous government's decision, which was anti-Goan. So that itself, that intention itself shows very clearly that Vijay means when he says Goa and Goenka Pond, he is here to protect Goans and the thing of Goenka.